Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add columns and rows quickly in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to add columns and rows quickly in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to add columns and rows quickly in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here is our table. We want to add a column here. Right click and insert column left or right. Let's add it left. Okay, let's go back. Now let's select 5 columns. Right click and insert 5 columns to the right. Like this. More faster. Rows says the same thing to rows. Right click on it. Drag 5. Now 6 above or below. Just create below. Let's go back. That easy guys. And click on the cell. You can insert row or column left. Insert cells to shift right or shift down when you insert the cells. Okay, let's do above. Okay, go back. Let's do column to the left. Go back. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to add column and rows quickly in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.